Mr. Bunny.
Well, I heard you were talking about me.
Well, we were. Your little ears must have been burning.
They were. I see that you were showing a picture that was recently taken.
Yes.
I was so honored to be on this month's
our new
cover.
theme, Cloud.
I do like it.
There you are.
No, that's not me.
Oh, who's that?
I'm in that green balloon.
You're in this one?
Yeah, that's it.
This one down here?
That's right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I especially requested the green balloon.
I see you in there. Yeah, now I do see
Yeah,
you.
you see? Yeah, you can see my little ears.
Yes, I do. I see the ears.
Yeah, yeah. Now, this was a big celebration. This was the Bunny Air Balloon reunion. Every year, we get together and we fly air balloons.
Oh, what a wonderful tradition.
Yeah. You know why we're very good at it?
Why?
Well, we're full of hot air. Yeah.
I don't know how you come up with these, Mr. Bunny.
Well, what do you mean come up with it? This is a long-eared tradition that we have followed for many, many, many generations.
A long-eared tradition.
That's right. Yeah. Now, my favorite part about being in a hot air balloon is that you're up there with the birds.
Yes.
Yeah. You can look around and there's birds everywhere.
Must be amazing.
Yeah, that's right. It is. Now, sometimes the birds look and they get a little nervous. They're like, why?
Oh, right, because these balloons are so big.
Yes, and they're not used to seeing a bunny in them.
No, no.
No.
I mean, I would never think a bunny would be in a hot air balloon. That really would surprise me.
Oh, I know, but it's true. Sometimes we'll look at those birds and we'll say, hello, Mr. Bird. How you doing over there? And you know what the birds will say?
What?
Well, nothing, because birds can't talk. So they'll just go, and they fly away.
It's just flap.
Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you for putting me on the cover and all my friends.
Well,
I sure hope I can appear on the cover again soon.
Absolutely. Yes, I'm sure our friends will notice that you have been there as well.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Bunny.